In this video, I'll show you how to find gift ideas on Amazon. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. So you're probably looking to buy a really special gift for someone that you love, but you're lacking creativity. Let me tell you that Amazon has a really cool new AI feature that is going to make shopping so much easier for you, and it's honestly going to become your new best friend. To access this feature, all you need to do is open Amazon on your phone or on your browser, and what you're going to do is click on the search bar. So in my case, let's just say I want to gift something for my mom. So gift for mom. As you can see, Amazon will open up some search options that of course you can use. You can click on them and just browse through the options that Amazon gives you. But if you want to take that a step further, what you're going to do is go all the way to the bottom where you see this little icon. This icon will open up Rufus. Rufus is a new AI-powered shopping assistant from Amazon that is here to help you make shopping a little bit easier. So as you can see, the first suggestion that Rufus gave me is what are some popular gift options for moms. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. So as you can see, Rufus just opened up as a chat. I could even have a conversation with Rufus in case I have any questions. But what it did was pretty much just answer my question, and it gave me some really popular gift ideas that I can give to my mom. As you can see, Rufus gave me a lot of options like perfume, coffee, some bracelets that I could give my mom. So this is just going to help you get more creative. And honestly, you could ask Rufus any question about your shopping experience or for gift ideas, whatever you need from Amazon. Rufus will be here to help and make your life easier, honestly. Hope that helps.